Hello everyone, welcome to the e-tutorial series of the Income Tax Department TDS section Kerala. In this video series, we have included various topics related to TDS return preparation and filing, online and offline correction return preparation and filing, and various other online correction procedures. We hope that these videos will provide a one-stop solution regarding your TDS related queries. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step procedure in registering the digital signature certificate of the authorized person with the Traces website. It may be noted that it is only after registering the digital signature certificate you can have complete access to the various functionalities of Traces website, including various online corrections. It also makes the validation process very quick and simple. So let us see how this can be done. Before going into the registration process, please take care of these prerequisites for smooth installation and functioning of the digital signature certificate. First of all, a valid digital signature certificate should be obtained from a third-party vendor. Only Class 2 or Class 3 digital signature certificates are allowed for the purpose of registration on Traces. Secondly, download and install Java runtime environment, that is Java 32-bit version 8 update 162. You can download this from the official website of Java, or else link for downloading this version is given in the description box of this video. Please downgrade to version 8 update 162 if you are using a higher version of Java, and disable auto updates if any in Java. Thirdly, you have to download the mSigner software from the link provided in the Traces website. You have to click on the Downloads tab in the Traces landing page. In the drop-down menu, click on the Requested Downloads. You will find the link to download the latest version of the mSigner. The direct link is given in the description box of this video. You can use that as well. You have to download the latest mSigner for registering the digital signature certificate. Install the digital signature certificate token software, Java 32-bit version 8 update 162, and the mSigner softwares, and all the three should be running in the background while registering or using the digital signature certificate. Finally, make sure that the proxy settings in your computer is turned off. These prerequisites are essential not only while registering the digital signature certificate, but also while using the digital signature at any point of time. So now let us see how the registration process can be done. First of all, connect the USB containing the digital signature certificate into your system. This will appear as a drive in the folder My Computer. Open it and run the setup, that is, click on the button setup to install the digital signature certificate token in your system. To ensure that the proxy settings is turned off, go to the proxy settings in your computer. Turn off all the proxy settings. Also, disable the automatically detect settings option as displayed on the screen. Log in to the Traces website, that is www.tdscpc.gov.in. Click on the login button, and this page, as you can see on the screen, will be displayed. Please select the detector button and type your user ID, password, TAN and verification code as displayed on the screen. In case you have forgotten your username or password, please refer to our online videos on the topics how to retrieve the forgotten user ID and password. After logging in, this landing page will be displayed. In the landing page, click on the Profile tab. After that, click on the Signature tab under the User Details. If you have not yet registered your DSC, a button Register DSC will be displayed on the screen. Click on that. Once you click on the Register DSC button, a WebSigner pop-up will be displayed showing the details of your digital signature certificate, provided all the prerequisites are properly done and the digital signature certificate token is plugged in properly. On the certificate pop-up, select your certificate and then click on the button Register. Then a password box will be displayed on the screen to enter the password of your digital signature certificate. Enter the password and then click on the button OK. The details of the selected certificate will be displayed on a modal dialog window. Ensure that the details are correct. Then click on OK to successfully complete the registration. Once you click on the OK button, the digital signature is successfully registered against the PAN of the authorized person and the success message will be displayed on the screen. You can click on the Signature tab in the Profile section and can see the details of the registered digital signature here. In cases where you'll have to re-register your digital signature certificate, a button is provided in this page, Re-register DSC. You can click on that and use that functionality in case you need that. Now we'll look into some possible errors that could happen while registering the digital signature certificate. If the user selects a wrong digital signature which is not associated with the PAN of the authorized person, this error message, that is, the digital signature certificate credentials are invalid due to PAN mismatch, will be displayed, indicating a PAN mismatch. This may be corrected by selecting the correct digital signature of the authorized person. Now, if the error lies in the data of the authorized person in the Traces website, you may update the correct details in the Profile section. Re-register option is permitted only if the existing certificate becomes invalid. System will not permit re-registering of a valid digital signature certificate. This error message, that is, certificate selected is already registered, will be displayed if you click on Re-register DSC in case of a valid digital signature certificate. The error message, that is, invalid DSC, certificate selected is revoked, will be displayed if an existing digital signature certificate is revoked due to some reason. You have to either resolve the issue with the third-party vendor of the digital signature certificate or register with a new digital signature certificate. If any of the prerequisites is not done properly, this error message, that is, error in establishing connection with the Traces WebSocket e-signer, will be displayed. Please ensure that all the prerequisites are done as mentioned above and do the registration process once again. In spite of doing all the necessary prerequisites, if the digital signature certificate is not getting registered, it could be due to some technical problem. You may take a screenshot of the error and mail to contact@tdscpc.gov.in. Technical team will contact you and do the needful for resolving the issue. When the certificate registered is about to expire, a prompt will be shown on the screen intimating the user regarding the expiry of the digital signature certificate. That is, your certificate will expire in N days. This is a message to the user that it is almost time to renew his certificate. If the certificate registered earlier has expired, then the previous certificate details will not be shown to the user. Instead, the digital signature registration screen will be displayed. The user can use the Register DSC button for initiation of fresh DSC registration. And finally, if the digital signature certificate of any user has been revoked by a certifying authority, the user shall not be allowed to register the revoked certificate on the Traces. Error message will be displayed while registration. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions regarding this video in the email ID displayed on this page. Please send us a mail if you want us to include any other relevant topics in this e-learning program. Thank you so much.